Alright guys, so I know you guys seen our new torque wrenches, so we're going to give you a little bit of demonstration while we torque these heads down on how these work. It does show you while you're doing it what you're at. And then it shows you your final as well. So this is 25 foot-pounds, so we got 25.2. And we're going to do that for all of them. So now that we got the head bolts torqued down, we got to get them to 90 degrees. I'm going to show you how we can do that with the snap-on ratchet here. The good thing about this ratchet here is that it'll tell you what degree that you're at when you're trying to do it. So you'll see here when it lights up how far we've gone. But the good thing about it is when you ratchet it back, it stays. So we can keep going. And then we get it right to 90 each time. So we're going to do all of them now. Alright guys, so something I just noticed when we were using this was once you get the 90 degrees on the ratchet, it will flash back and forth the degree and the foot-pounds that you're at. So when we got to 90 degrees, it was like 78 foot-pounds. But it was just showing us back and forth what the foot-pounds was at after we got to the degree mark. So I think that's pretty cool. Didn't notice it at first. Let's get the tiller side done. I don't know if you just saw that, but this is one of the best things about having a digital torque wrench versus the click style torque wrench. And that's, these bolts are 15 foot-pounds and then 25 foot-pounds. And the head bolts are at 40 foot-pounds, right? So I'm at 40. Yes, I could take the time to go back down to 15 foot-pounds, but I could just stick this on here and then just watch it as I'm going. And there, I'm at 15. Look at that, bam, 15 foot-pounds. So yeah, you just don't get the audible sound, but at the same time, you're still getting to the foot-pounds you need to get to, so